What's going on, family? I am inside of the HogOn Cafe storefront. Right before we start framing it, I wanted to give you a video to kind of give you an update of what it's going to look like beforehand. Gotta get some more of this stuff out of here, move this stuff, actually clean it out so we can start framing it here soon. So I'm getting everything done. This is actually going to be my reclaimed wood wall. Check them out. Got some good panels too. So I got a real neat idea with that. Can't wait to show y'all what I'm gonna do. That's gonna be awesome. So just wanted to give y'all a small update, man, let you know what I got going on today. Been sitting getting my other reclaimed wood that I got out, these 2x4s that I got. Been sitting them out here getting them things lined up. And hey, we're about to get ready to jump in here soon and get some things happen. So just wanted to give y'all a small update. HogOn.